What's up everybody, my name is Capiche and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be making Saffron Jalebi. This syrupy spiral is a street food and looks more like a mini funnel cake. My cousin from London is getting married this week, and as a popular dessert at weddings, it would be fun to make this crunchy and sweet dessert. So let's begin! To make our syrup, we are putting 2 cups of sugar in a saucepan and 1 cup of water. And now I'm going to turn on the flame here. Put it on medium flame, and now you're going to mix this up. While our sugar is dissolving, we are going to add a few drops of your favorite food coloring. I have orange. I'm gonna add that in. Also going to add a few strands of saffron. The saffron will give it a nice flavor. So now we're gonna mix this up. For additional flavor, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of rose water. I'm gonna go ahead and add that in. And now we're going to mix this up again. You're going to now keep on mixing this until it comes to a boil. As you see, this has come to a boil, and now I'm going to switch off the gas. To make our jalebi batter, we're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. To this, I'm going to add Eno or fruit salt, and that quantity is 1 teaspoon. Now we're going to mix this with our hands. To make this a batter, we're going to need 1 cup of water, and we're going to add very small amounts at a time. So as you see, I've mixed this up thoroughly, and it's very smooth, just like this. And if it's coming a little thick for you guys, you can add a couple of drops of water, so I'm gonna do that. Very little. That's it. And now I'm gonna mix this. And now it's even smoother. So now I'm going to pour this into a jalebi maker. If you guys don't have this at home, you can always use a piping bag or a sauce bottle. So in a pan, I have added clarified butter, and I'm going to heat it up on medium flame. And back over here, I have my syrup warming up on medium flame. So my ghee is almost 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To make our jalebi, I'm gonna use my jalebi maker or any other supplies you have. And basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a spiral. Just like that. You're gonna let that go enough. Leave it for about 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna flip them. Okay, I'm gonna leave it on this side for 30 seconds. Okay, now this one is done, so I'm gonna drain it over this and add it into my syrup. Same thing for this one. Drain it and drop it. So now you're gonna just dip these in only for about 30 seconds, and then you can take them out because we don't want them too sweet. Drain it and then add it into a plate. Just like that. All my jalebis are done and I can't wait to try it. So now I'm going to try the jalebi, and this is what it looks like up close. And let's go ahead and try this. It's very crispy. It has nice sweet flavor. Some nice saffron flavors coming in there and rose flavor. I can't wait for you guys to try this. So there you have it, a delicious, crunchy, mouth-watering dessert, saffron jalebi. This is awesomely flavorful from the saffron-infused rose-flavored sugar syrup that oozes when you take a bite. This is quick to make and very artful at the same time. You guys must try this out. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And hit the bell notification so you know when I post another video. Also, comment any dishes you guys want me to make. See you next time.